What's up guys, Dean here again with Team Debaru, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how you guys can do your own CPAGrip campaigns using Facebook free traffic methods. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started here. Let's dig in. I'm already inside the CPAGrip dashboard, as you guys can see here. I logged in. I just want to show you guys, this is definitely things that are possible on this network. This person has made over $101,000 with 56,000 leads. This person, look, someone else, $121,000. So I just noticed this as soon as I logged in. I thought it was kind of cool. I wanted to show you guys right away that obviously people are out here making some serious dough with CPA marketing and specifically CPAGrip. So but let's go ahead and get started. I want to show you guys again a Watch Me Build campaign where we're going to be taking, we're going to be using a CPAGrip monetization tool, their URL and download locker, in order to make some additional cash utilizing free traffic methods from Facebook. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to need to do here is obviously set up a URL and file locker. To do that, after you log in, you're just going to go over to the left side. You'll click on monetization tools. You'll go to URL and file lockers. You're going to go ahead and create new URL and file locker now. This is just going to basically tell you that, hey, if you're going to be using these tools, you need to be using them correctly. Make sure that if you are promising someone something, let's say a free ebook or a free software, free photos, whatever it is that you're offering for free, or whatever it is that you're offering in general, it needs to be given to them. You can't be fake, you can't do misleading rewards, bad or false promises. It is completely on you to make sure you do this. You also can't do no real cash, money, or prizes. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and agree to that now that I already know that. Make sure you guys go through all of these here as well. We're going to go ahead and hit continue, and now we can see an outline of kind of how it looks like here. So over here we can check out some other templates and choose between them if we want to try something a little different, maybe something like this. So they have a bunch of different templates already set up that you guys could choose from, or you guys could kind of create your own over here through Style and Advanced. For today, I'm just going to use this one. This looks like a normal file locker website. We'll kind of customize it a little bit to make sure it looks like legit. It's got some comments and everything down here, so that's kind of nice, gives it a little proof. And we will go ahead and get started. So one thing I always like to do is I do like to change this up here. Ensure no bot traffic. I always put that, just it kind of gives it like a reasoning on why you have to do something like this. I don't think it shows it on this one, so it doesn't do too much, but I did it anyway. Let's see if it'll refresh. Yeah, nothing there. But so basically, it's really simple. All that we will do now is we will basically, depending on what you promote in. So for example, what we're going to be promoting today is going to be a free weight loss ebook. So one thing that you would want to do, obviously, is you would need a page around of weight loss, or you would need to, your profile would need to be maybe around some kind of fitness or something related to the niche. I say usually works pretty well. What we're going to do is we are going to start following and joining groups on Facebook. We're going to be joining pages, and we're going to be promoting our free ebook to a bunch of new people. So one way to do this here is we obviously need to start up with getting our URL locker all set up. So this is what it would look like once they landed here. All we really need to do is add our locked URL that we're going to do. So typically what I like to do is I like to add the file to my Google Drive, and then you are able to get a shareable link there from Google Drive in order to do your link locking. So obviously for this, because this is a going to be an ebook about weight loss, and we want to make sure that it resembles it. We're going to have to come over to Google Drive. You would want to upload the ebook or whatever it is. Like I said earlier, you don't want to do any false promises. So you want to make sure that you're uploading the actual file. I don't have an ebook here on weight loss. I don't promote any kind of weight loss stuff personally, but I want to make it clear that it is against the rules if you guys add something else in there. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and get a file from one of my presentations that I did for you guys before on maybe like another thing, and I'm going to go ahead and just lock that right now just for an example. That way it works. I'm not actually really going to promote this here. Let's see, update it. So now we'll go ahead and hit create. So this is our URL. This is the link that we will need in order for it to work. So we'll go ahead and copy it. I want to pull it up so that way you guys can kind of see what it looks like here. So this is what it would look like once they got to your page for them to actually go through and download it. Now, to be able to promote this on Facebook, we are going to need to create our own affiliate page using WordPress or whatever you guys choose that you guys might use for blogging. I really like WordPress. I think it's very user-friendly. It has a lot of customizations, a lot of cool plugins that you guys can use. So that's what I went ahead and did for us here today. So here is what I've gone ahead and done. To be able to promote this product using a link locker, the best way that I have found is to write a blog post about what I'm trying to promote. So I've gone ahead and wrote a blog post, 7 Secrets of Weight Loss Success ebook. That's what I'm going to be promoting here today for free. Basically I've done a long write-up on weight loss, how this ebook has been good. It's got some reviews in here, things like that. Some charts, I believe I put down here as well. So those are on here. And then just a bunch of links to some things. And then basically what you would do is down here at the very bottom, you're going to want to add kind of like a call to action. So for today, it is download this free ebook. I show a little ebook down here that they can download from. And then all I would actually need to do is actually link that file locker that I got from CPAGrip. So that's going to be there. I'm going to go ahead and publish this now. So we'll do that. And then let's go ahead and view the post. So this is the post on my blog. As you guys can see, it's just the long write-up kind of explaining about it for someone to read. And then it goes down to the bottom down here where they are able to actually get the free ebook. So once they click on here, it's going to redirect them to the Faster Files link where they'll be able to do the download. And this is where they're going to have to fill out a survey for us to actually get paid. So that is one way that we're able to do it. Now what we will do is we will need to promote this on Facebook. Where did the locker go? Let me go back. So we will need to promote our blog on Facebook. So this is where the importance of having your own domain name really comes into play. So for example, if I had a domain that was like 7 success secrets for weightloss.com, that will probably promote a lot better than something with a subdomain like this, where it's like cpaaffiliatemarketing.business.blog. It just doesn't look as professional. It also doesn't rank very well with SEO. So if you were trying to rank this page for SEO terms, you would have a lot harder time doing that than you would with maybe your own .com domain. So it's really cheap. It's a really great investment in yourself. I definitely recommend it. You can actually get domains for like $1 if you just type in $domains. And a lot of places will give you a great deal on your first year of signing up. That's usually like $1 or sometimes even free, where you're able to take advantage of that. So I definitely recommend it. It's a great investment in yourself, and it also is a lot more professional and will look a lot better when you're actually promoting these offers. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one here for now. Let's say you don't have a domain name, you can't afford the $1 for whatever it may be. We're going to go ahead and shorten it because you don't want to promote a super long link. Those don't ever work out really well. And now we are ready to actually promote the offer. So what we can do is we can go over to Facebook, and I want to show you guys something else that I noticed as soon as I logged into my Facebook account here. So as you guys can see, I have been in a bunch of health and nutrition and exercise groups in previous videos that I showed you guys how to promote with Facebook traffic. And I just think it's kind of funny because this person right here is actually doing the same thing. And look at the method that they're using for their approach. So, hey, I just came across a routine that relieves back pain in 16 minutes. If you would like me to give you access, just comment back pain and I'll inbox you the details. So the big thing with Facebook traffic and using the free methods and using the groups and the pages is, yes, you can have a lot of issues with getting you getting kicked out of groups and things like that. People saying that this is a scam because a lot of people are promoting offers like this in groups because it is a great way to make extra money on the side. So you do have to come up with, sort of out of the box angles to make yourself look legitimate and not out here just trying to scam someone, trying to be spammy, just trying to get traffic to all of these affiliate products. You got to think outside the box. You got to come up with the different angles. Something like this is really clever because you're getting the traffic into your inbox and not necessarily bringing anything onto the page. So it kind of keeps you out of it. It also doesn't clog up and spam up their page, so maybe they're not as upset about it. They're maybe a little bit more lenient about it. It makes their page look a lot more active, things like that. So that's one way to go about it. But really, to be able to promote these links, I would recommend definitely doing this guy's method. This works out really well. I've actually done it myself for some other things. I actually did this with ClickFunnels and some other actual software products, so it worked out really well. And it also works out really well within the health niche. So this is one great way of being able to promote without necessarily getting bans and kicked out of groups and things like that. Another great way too, guys, is to create your own groups. So when you're in control of your own groups and your own pages, no one can really tell you what you can and can't post other than Facebook. So if you're posting quality content all the time, you're able to grow a group to a large amount of members, have a lot of people posting and commenting and things like that. You can definitely use that to your advantage as well. So one way to find groups as well to join, if you want to join groups and not start your own, is you could come up here and you could type in something like weight loss, and then you could come over here to groups, and you could start joining, all these different groups for weight loss. Some of them are going to have to, fill out information such as this. That makes sure that you're not like any kind of bot or anything. I'm not going to fill out all of these just because you guys get the idea. This does take a little bit of time just because you will have to go through it, answer all the questions to join. And nowadays, with so many people kind of doing this method and spamming into groups, a lot of the really good groups are the ones that are going to have the questions that you have to answer. So make sure you guys are doing that. Make sure you guys are going through all of the different groups and doing that. You guys can also join pages. So you can like different pages that you guys are able to kind of post on as well too. But let's say that you did get joined into a group. I'm pretty sure I have some groups here on this page. Let's see. Doesn't look like I have any in here. Oh, beauty and health tips. I guess that'll work. So you can come into these groups and you're able to, leave comments on things. You're able to post on things just exactly like the last person did when we first logged in here, so you could see what they were doing. So those are going to be the best ways of promoting it. Just joining the groups, saying, hey, if you would like some information on the 7 secrets of weight loss, or hey, if you guys would like the same ebook that helped me lose 20 pounds in 2 weeks, make it something realistic. Don't say 40 pounds in, 6 days or something. That isn't realistic. It doesn't sound very healthy for one. So yeah, make sure you guys are doing it correctly. If you're having issues with getting kicked out of groups, maybe try your angling a little different. Maybe take that one guy's approach where he was saying, hey, if you guys want to see this, DM me and try and bring the traffic more into your pages, or even try and create your own pages themselves.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.